Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech. Good to see you guys again, and I'm here with my unboxing and first look of the Apple Watch Series 6. Guys, I'm so excited that I don't even care if they're drilling right now. I've been waiting to unbox this all morning, and let's get to it. So showing you guys here which version I got, the Series 6 red aluminum case, 44 millimeters, and I'm super excited to share this retail unboxing of this unit with you guys. So let's go ahead and do this now. We lift the flaps, let's do it. And I got the red, guys. I'm super excited. I was between the blue and the red, but in the end I went for red. It just looked so good in the store. And there it is, the Apple Watch Series 6. I will open this in a second. And by the way, guys, I have all these nice little Apple Watches here to join the party. Got my Series 4, the Series 1, got my wife's Series 3, and here is my Series 3 as well. Pretty much owned every Apple Watch except for the Series 5. I skipped last year. That's why I'm super excited about this one. And so this is the hook and loop closure sport loop. I did not get the solo loop or the braided loop. They were sold out, but I should be able to get those very soon. So look at this gorgeous packaging, guys. Product red. There you see it. So let's start with the watch itself and unbox this bad boy. So tearing the flap, there we go. Lifting the lid, and look at that. Oh my gosh, Christmas came early, guys, and this is the color to celebrate it. Let's take this Apple Watch out now. Nice and easy, there we go. And look at this stunning Apple Watch Series 6 in red. And I got the GPS version. My Series 4 is actually cellular, but I rarely use it. So I decided I was gonna go for GPS again, and hopefully the battery life is better as well. So setting that aside, let's see what else we have in here. We have our little product red insert. Here we see all the basic information and no Apple stickers, I don't think. And here you see the charging cable for the Apple Watch. And here's a little bit of a controversy, no charger in the box. Now, I don't know what you guys feel about that. They do include those in the titanium and Hermes versions. So you may think it's just a cost-cutting measure here, but Apple does claim it is to lower their environmental footprint by reducing e-waste and shipping chargers in their latest products. Now, I do applaud trying to reduce e-waste, but I do think Apple can mitigate this if they offer a free charger to anyone who wants them. Because if this is your first Apple Watch experience and you don't have a charger, you may not enjoy that. But now let's go ahead and open the Sport Loop here. And this is a new color, this fancy red version. And I've definitely used this type of strap before. It's a great strap, and you do need to wash these occasionally, but these are super comfortable. I go to sleep with my Apple Watch typically with one of these on. And let's go ahead and put on this band so I can try it on for the first time. There we go. Very good feeling. And let's go ahead and turn this on. There we go. All right. And there it is. It is ready to set up. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. And then I'm going to share my first impressions of this Apple Watch Series 6 in this gorgeous product red edition. Alright guys, and so here I am now in the Apple Watch Series 6 completely synced up, and you can see right here with my iPhone 11 Pro Max, 3 watches connected to this phone now. I have the Series 6, the Series 3, and the Series 4. And one neat feature with the Apple Watch app, you'll be able to auto switch automatically between any of the watches you own. So once this is on my wrist, it'll automatically switch and start tracking from this watch. Now to all you Apple fans out there, you probably know most of this already, but just want to quickly recap what is new about this watch. So we have, of course, the blood oxygen tracker. It's going to be a great way to measure your overall health by seeing how much oxygen is delivered throughout your body. And you can see on the back of the Series 6 a number of new sensors from the Series 4 even. Let me compare those two real quick. Yeah, there you see it. There's definitely a lot more sensors now. And these, I think, specifically are the blood oxygen sensors on the Series 6. And for the first time ever, I will also have an ECG here on my wrist. I skipped Series 5, but now Series 6 does have this included as well, including sleep tracking. This one I'm super excited about, and this will come with Watch OS 7 on board, so a lot of you will be able to test this out despite not having a Series 6. But now talking about the processor of the Series 6, we have the S6 chipset on board with the U1 chipset. So with that increased power, the Apple Watch Series 6 is going to be able to use the always-on display much brighter, up to 2 times brighter than the previous generation. There's the always-on display, so that is plenty bright. That is with the screen off, and then when I turn it, you can see there it is on. But let's wait for it to turn off real quick. There we go. That is super bright, guys. I'm very impressed with this always on display, and it's super exciting to finally have this feature on my main Apple Watch. But obviously other great features coming to this watch like family setup, fitness, and fitness plus, which is going to be a great addition. But this one I'm super excited about, the built-in altimeter. And guys, you know how much I've been hiking recently, so you know that this is something I'm definitely going to want to use. And now let's go ahead and try this blood oxygen tracker for the first time. I don't know what my result is going to be, but let's hope it's a good one. Gonna put my wrist down here and get started. Counting down. And guys, after a couple of failed attempts, I finally got the blood oxygen meter to work. I think the recommended range is like 95 to 98. So good to see here, but you definitely want to be really still. And I had to kind of sit down with the watch on my lap to get an accurate measurement here of my blood oxygen. And last but not least, just want to put it right here next to my Series 4. So you can see, guys, it's pretty much the same dimensions and look as any of the previous Series 4 or Series 5 Apple Watches. And that's by design, guys, because I'll be able to use all of my favorite bands and of course all these terrific watch faces from watchOS 7, like the tachometer, like this awesome stripes watch face, the GMT, to this really nice numerals one that I can't wait to use on this Series 6 as well. And do let me know if you'd like to see a full review of this Apple Watch Series 6. I would love to do it if there is interest. But there it is, guys, your unboxing and first look of the Series 6 here on Frankie Tech. But hit me up in the comments. What are your thoughts on this Apple Watch Series 6? And which of these latest new features are you most excited about? Hit me up in the comments. I'd love to hear about it. And that's it for this video. If you liked it, give me that thumbs up. And if you love the content of Frankie Tech, subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for future updates. So this is my new daily Apple Watch. You'll be seeing it in a lot of videos. I will be wearing this all the time. And hopefully I can get the solo loop in my possession very soon to try as well. So that's it. And this is where I leave you by saying, this is Frankie Tech signing off. Have a good one.